No. Butt down. Eyes out. Look for the puck. Go. Look for the puck. Look for the puck. Go. Push. Too far over. Shoot on the right hand.
Dad, can I move camera right here?
Watch. So when you come through, you're doing this. Look how far you are. When I come through, I want to be right above your left leg. Here. So I can move to the right side and move to the left side.
Dad, can I move this little?
No. Ready? Go. PG rating on the video there, everybody, with the cursor. Now, Tina, back here now. So when you come through, what's the last thing you're moving to me? What's the last thing you're moving?
Stop.
Yeah, but what's the last thing you're moving? If you're not finding the puck, what's the last thing looking for the puck? Yeah, so you're bringing your stick without your head and your eyes. Find the puck. Find the puck. Go, find the puck. Still flying. Go.